Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernard for the BTN HD. And yes, we have an awesome Lenovo device this week in the lab. It's all about the Lenovo C930 2-in-1 laptop. Super excited to get this guy in the lab. Again, we are going to only take care of the unboxing, first impressions. So let's get to it. Okay, so what comes inside the box? Now, before I tell you guys, I just want to say that the box that Lenovo housed the C930 is beautiful. The color, it has that grayish kind of color. The back is all colorful. I like that. Looks like it was designed inside Photoshop. All right, I'm going to put the box to the side. Okay, super self-explanatory. We have our, what's this guy right here? Our little manual, our checklist of what comes inside the box, which we're going to be going over it. We got our safety and warranty guide, and that's it. Cool. We have our power supply right here, which is 65 watts, and this is our power cable. So our adapter, power cable goes together, boom, you're good to go. The primary connection for your power adapter is a Type-C connection. Cool. Awesome. So we're going to put this stuff to the side. Beautiful. And we have the awesome Lenovo C930 Yoga 2-in-1 laptop. What do I mean in 2-in-1 laptop? You can basically do this. Open it up. Flat. Stick this guy out of here. Ooh, nice. We can do tablet mode. We can do presentation mode. All right. Laptop mode is what we are all used to. And you also have tech mode. Okay. Off the bat, it has a beautiful display. I think it's 13.9 inch. Nice. The color is amazing. I'm loving the color. It's that iron gray color. Nice. Now, if you have the C930 facing you to the point that you're able to open it up like this, on your right-hand side, the only thing that you have is your power button, which we are going to, power it on pretty soon. And on your left-hand side, we only have your audio combo jack, 2 Type-C USB ports, and then 1 3.1 USB ports. Now, the 2 Type-C USB ports, the cool thing about this is that I'm able to hook up 2 external monitors. You got power delivery and display ports. Awesome. On the back side, this guy right here is a nice little design. It has little holes, so I'm assuming it's either the speaker or where, the ventilation system. And if you take a closer look, right here on your right-hand side, which is close to the power button, this is your active pen, guys. We're going to push it down, pop it out. Look at that. Awesome. So this guy comes with an active pen. Nice. All right, so we're going to open up the C930, turn it on, see what kind of specifications that Lenovo sent us, and take it from there. All right, so we went over the ports and features. I love the color of the C930. I am in love with it. This little guy right here, definitely, I'm assuming it's the audio. But let's open this guy up. Oh, man, look at that. Off the bat, the display is a 13.9 inch, I believe full HD. The C930 does come in 2 flavors. You can get a full HD with a resolution of 1920 by 1080, which is the one I think Lenovo sent me. And then you can get the 4K one, which is Ultra HD. You're going to power this guy on. Remember, if you have the laptop facing you, on the right-hand side, at the very top, that's the power button. You're going to start this guy up. At the very top of the display, you have a 720 HD webcam. It is glossy, with multi-touch. It is multi-touch. Right now, it looks like it's really dim, really dark. So let's raise it up. Let's press F12. This is the brightest that we could go. And this is the lowest. Wow. Complete black. I can't see anything on the desktop. Wow. Cool. Again, the display is multi-touch. Not a big fan on that, but again, it is a 2-in-1 laptop. You're able to convert it into a tablet Let's take advantage of this little guy right here in the back. See if we could find the button. Whoop, pop it out. There we go. You are able to take advantage of the active pen, which is awesome. Cool. Now, off the bat, looking at the keyboard is backlit. Is it? Yep, it's backlit. Nice. I like the size of the trackpad. Beautiful, beautiful. It does have a fingerprint scanner. It's a huge plus. It doesn't have, on the trackpad, it doesn't have the indication of left and right, but it's okay. I need to test that out. I got to test the measurement out of the trackpad, plus the distance between the keys. I would say maybe a nickel and a dime, the distance between each key. I'm assuming on that one. All right, so we're going to right click on the taskbar, and we are definitely going to go inside Task Manager. And within Task Manager, we're going to click on More Details. We're going to go to Performance. I'm going to expand this a little bit. I'm going to right click on the CPU, change graph to logical processors to see what we have. Okay, so we have an Intel Core i7-8550U processor with a clock speed of 1.80 gigahertz. Now, I'm assuming if you go inside BIOS and turn on Turbo, you can probably get maybe 4.0. But this is pretty good. 1 socket, 4 cores, 8 logical processors. Nice. I could probably do maybe some rendering with Premiere, a lot of Photoshop, a lot of Illustrator, but I have to test out the Premiere stuff. For memory, this guy has 12 gigs of memory, and I think the memory is on board, meaning I cannot upgrade it. You're stuck. So when you're purchasing this guy on the Lenovo site, make sure you purchase the right one, because if you purchase 8 gigs and you think you're able to upgrade it yourself, you're not, because I think it's on board. For the hard drive, we have a 256 solid-state drive. Awesome. And for the graphics, it's an Intel Ultra HD Graphics 620. Now, one of the things I forgot to tell you guys about the webcam, again, it is 720p, but it does come with a think shutter, like a little slider. You have to put a little pressure to open it up, but I feel like the more you do that, it's going to wear down. And it's going to get real loose eventually. Okay, so we went over some of the specifications that I'm working with this week. I'm super excited about the C930, man. The first thing that comes in my mind is the design. It's really light. For me, it's really light. I think the average weight for this is around 3.0 pounds. But for me, it feels lighter than that. I don't know why. I'm intrigued with this little bar right here. I'm assuming it's the audio, the sound, the speaker. But where is the ventilation? Because I'm looking at the bottom and I don't see anywhere where the vents are at. Where is the heat going to escape when this guy gets warm and hot? So I definitely need to test that stuff out for you guys and let you know during the review if it gets really warm. I'm assuming it's going to get warm because I don't know where the vents are at. Again, maybe the vents are in the back of this speaker thing. Who knows? I do love that it comes with an active pen. I like where it's hidden, right in the back. That's an awesome spot. Normally, active pens are located on your right-hand side, but this guy is actually located on the top, which is cool. So that means when you're converting it into a tablet, it's kind of weird because it's like right there. See how I'm like, it's weird. It's a weird position where the damn pen is at. Because you got to understand, this black border allows you to hold the tablet. But if I need to get the pen, I got to maneuver it. I got to do all this crazy stuff to get it. I like the position to be up here or down here. Moving it down here, I think it was a big no-no. But, I'm not a designer. See how hard it is to manage it? I'm having a hard time with having the pen there when it's in tablet mode. Now, the specifications that I have right now on the C930, I think it would definitely allow me to maybe render and edit 4K naturally without me creating any proxies. I could definitely do some Photoshop with some raw images and a lot of Illustrator. I'm going to test all that stuff out for you guys during the review. I do love the design. I have to see how responsive the trackpad is. I think when I converted when I convert it into a tablet, the keys don't go inside the keyboard. So I don't like that. I like when the keys they suck inside the keyboard. That doesn't happen on this one. The keyboard is backlit. I have doubts on this little guy right here, the little small thing shutter, because I feel like the more you're going to slide it open and close, this guy will get loose. I don't know how many times you have to open and close it for it to get loose, but you got to keep in mind, it's a small little mechanism and it could jam up or get loose on you. You're very limited on how many ports that you have on the C930. You only have one 3.1 USB and then two Type-C ports. It's cool you are able to insert two external monitors and have 3 monitors in all. But if you're a person like me that have flash drives or like to insert your printer on your laptop, you can't do that. So that means you have to work wirelessly. It doesn't have an Ethernet port, so it means you can't hardwire. Another downside, which is okay. I do see this laptop being purchased for designers and maybe college students. Now, the retail price for the C930 is going to cost you around $1,200, and that's the retail starting price, $1,200. I can only imagine how much it's going to cost if you fully decked out this machine with, you max it out with the memory, you max out the solid state drive, you get the best processor, you get the Ultra HD 4K display. It's going to cost a lot more money. So yeah, that's crazy. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my unboxing / first impressions on Lenovo C930 2-in-1 laptop. Pretty soon I'm going to be doing the review. I have to test out the battery. Definitely need to test out the battery because Lenovo is indicating on this site between, I think 15 hours for the full HD. I definitely need to test that out. I need to test out the heating. I need to test out how responsive the trackpad and the keys are. I got a lot to do for the review, which hopefully is going to come out next week. Don't forget about hitting that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.